This video will demonstrate the wrong and right etiquettes of coughing and sneezing. First, observe social distancing of an arm length. Use handkerchief or a tissue paper to cover your mouth so that droplets does not reach the people around you. If you do not have a handkerchief or tissue, use your upper sleeve or inner aspect of elbow to cough or sneeze. If you use your bare hands to cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing, wash your hands with soap and water. The right cough and sneeze etiquettes will prevent spreading of any form of aerosol into the air or the environment around you.